Hey, how you doing? Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. Ray O'Brien here. You know, I got a lot of bottles around here. We're all kind of sheltering within. I haven't worn jeans like all week. Why bother? I got nice comfy track pants on. Well, it makes sense. But I got a bunch of bottles around that I want to try and tell you about them. Tell you things that are easy. And this is Jameson's Cold Brew. Now I bought this at the local supermarket. You don't have to go to a liquor store, you go to a supermarket and get this. This is Jameson's 100% Arabica coffee from Colombia and Brazil, mixed with Jameson Irish Whiskey. Now they recommend a few different things to put it in. You can mix a little bit. I tried a little bit of Irish cream. It's okay. But you know what? I'm gonna show you some a little bit more special things that I've tried. So stick around. Hey there, welcome back. Welcome back to It's All About the Cocktail. So, my hair out of place? Your hair is always out of place, Ray. Yeah, it's the way it is. So I was telling you about this Jameson Cold Brew. It's like Jameson whiskey and coffee. Okay, like I said, it's 100% Arabica beans from Colombia, Brazil, but it's got no sugar added to it. So, you can drink this straight. It's it's okay straight. I guess maybe whiskey drinkers might like it more. I come home, I always pour Irish cream in my coffee left over from the day. So, and I like it. So, but I'm going to tell you a few different things you can do with this. Like I said, I got this at the supermarket because a lot of us are not going out. We got to beat this thing. And one of the ways to beat it is just stay home, man. There's no reason to be out and about and, just lay low until, we can get this stuff figured out. So by all means, please stay home. Anyways, enough of that. So this Jameson Cold Brew, I'm going to make it in two different ones. I'm going to make it in, I was playing around last night with this stuff. I'm going to show you what I made it into. And then I'll show you a quick little shot that I made it into. That was really good. So I made it into like a White Russian. So now the thing is, you can use any kind of vodka you have around. Like I said, we're not going out to the store. Whatever you got around. I happen to have a bunch of different ones around, I kind of like the Atomic Hot, it gives like a fireball taste to it. But whatever you got around. I got a lot of, your Absolute works good. Your Kettle One is excellent. I got Tito's back behind there hiding. I got Tito's. He still thinks it's cold. You're wearing a sweater, man. Anyways, I'm going to do this tonight with a bottle that was given to me courtesy of Wee Acres Farms. Courtesy of Wee Acres Farms in Barrington Hills, Illinois. So they gave me a bottle of this chili pepper, chili pepper vodka. It must be a special bottle because it's got like the batch number. It's got the guy sign it on here, and it says it's 92 proof. So I'm gonna make it with that. So it gives it like a little nice taste. Okay. So first thing we want to do is you want to grab ourselves a glass. Throw some ice in there. Let it start chilling. Okay, this would be a good time while I'm farting around here to tell you, I would really like you to subscribe to me. I'd really like you to subscribe and hit the bell. That way you're notified anytime I put out fresh content. And plus, that's way you can go back and show the ones I've already done. So let that glass sit there and get cold while the ice is in there. And we're just going to what I'm going to do is, it's real easy to remember, okay? The White Russian is so easy to remember. But the way I do it, I'm just going to do 2, 1.5, and 1 part of milk. Okay? You can go 1.5, 1.5 if you want to. But it makes not much of a drink. So what good is that? So anyways, let's begin. Let's get this out of the way. Let's put 2 parts of our Jameson Cold Brew whiskey in there. Right to the top. Okay. Try not to spill right. Ooh, that's gonna be pretty full. So we're just gonna throw two parts of Jameson Cold Brew, then one part of the Ula chili pepper vodka. My Japanese jigger is 2 on one side, 1 on the other. 4. Okay. Good, Ray didn't spill a drop that time. Okay. And then I got my milk in the fridge here, keeping cold. My little bar fridge here. My special Lauderdale Lakes cup. We go up to the Ramsey Boating Emporium every summer. Bob and Judy take care of us. Okay, then we're simply going to put 1 part of our milk on there and kind of pour that on the ice. You'll let that kind of layer on there. Okay, then you can get them. I like to serve it like that because so it mixes itself. And then I like to give people a swizzle stick and they can kind of stir it on their own. Okay, so let's give that a whirl. Give it a little stir first, man. I mean, you gotta kind of shelter within, do with what you can. I got so many things. I got so many different things I want to show you too. If I just get my butt in gear. Oh wow, that's good. You know what? I forgot the Kahlua. So we're gonna go with 2, 1 1/2 a Kahlua. And you know what? My Kahlua is getting down there because, you know, everybody's running out of stuff. I mean, toilet paper. Hope you got enough toilet paper because all these people have hoarded, can't get any anymore. But I'm running out of Kahlua, and the Kahlua was pretty good in there. My wife said, I'm going to put a Costco order in today. And I said, give me some Kahlua. No, they're out of it. But I found, you got to dig with what you got. And I got Patron XO Cafe, which is, this is tequila based, but it actually is good because it lets the chili pepper shine through. It kind of makes it a little bit spicier. Nothing like having to work around this faucet here. I took a sip and I'm like, that don't taste right. Okay, now let's give it a whirl. Oh wow, much better, much better. So like I said, you gotta use what you got around here. I mean, there are so many easy drinks. I mean, I don't want to get into, like I said, the whole idea here is simple cocktails at home. I mean, I don't want to think of far off weird ingredients you're never going to use or never don't know where to get, or if you're ever going to use again. And at this point, who the hell is going out? I sure as I'm not. So use what you can around the house. I mean, if you want to substitute any kind of coffee liqueur, if you want to substitute Camorra, you want to substitute any kind of coffee liqueur you got, okay? And I guess in a pinch, you could use like some cold coffee and kind of fudge that. But I'm just showing you what I got, what I got around and how I like it. That's good, and it's a little bit spicy with this chili pepper vodka on there. Between the chili pepper vodka and the Patron XO Cafe makes it kind of tasty. You know what? Give me a little bit, and I'm gonna show you. You know what? I'll show you right now. I'll show you the shot that I got. And I'll just keep this on the side. Okay. So for the shot that I got, I was playing. Like I said, I was playing around with this last night. Let me dig in my little cooler again here. I took this out of my freezer, but I put it in the chiller so it keeps cold. Look at that. It's like a little Moscow Miracle. Isn't that cute? Okay. So with that, we're going to go halfway with the cold brew, with the Jameson Cold Brew. A little more. Okay. And then I tried it last night. The Mozart is really good. This is a white chocolate liqueur. I had this around Christmas time. I made this in one of my Christmas drinks. That's why I happen to have this laying around. So we're just going to put that in the other half, another half of that. And then give that a stir. Pardon me. It's my drink. I can do that, right? And with the copper container, it keeps real cold. Let's give this a whirl. Wow. Now that really is damn tasty, man. I'm serious. I'm not just saying that, it is. I mean, you get the white chocolate, kind of throws quite a nice balance to the cold brew coffee. But also, this is a good spin on a White Russian. But like I said, my friends, you gotta use what you got at home. I mean, you gotta do things in a pinch, try different things out. I mean, I'm sure you can think of constructive ways to try this. But do me a favor, send me back a comment. Let me know if you tried the Jameson Cold Brew. If you do go out and try it, if this makes you go out and try it, then definitely tell me what you think, okay? After you do try it. I want to know what you think of it. I want to know if you've thought of other things to make with it. Well, I want to know, man. Let me know. And like I said, please stay home. We're all in this together. Let's kind of do what we can to get through this. I don't know how we're going to get through this, but let's just keep hope going, okay? So, until next time, my friends, just remember, it's all about the cocktail. I'll see you just in time for the next round. I'll see you later.